A building surveyor in Dankaur plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and compliance of buildings within the region. With their expertise and knowledge, they are responsible for conducting thorough inspections and assessments of buildings to identify any potential issues or hazards. A building surveyor in Dankaur often works closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to ensure that all construction and renovation projects adhere to the necessary regulations and standards. They provide valuable advice and recommendations to clients regarding necessary repairs, maintenance, and improvements to ensure the longevity and functionality of the building. One of the key responsibilities of a building surveyor in Dankaur is to assess the structural integrity of buildings. They carefully examine the foundations, walls, roofs, and other structural elements to determine if they are stable and in good condition. This involves conducting detailed surveys and analyses using advanced equipment and techniques. The surveyor also evaluates the quality of materials used in construction and identifies any signs of deterioration or damage that may compromise the safety of occupants. By conducting regular inspections, they can detect any potential issues early on and recommend appropriate measures to address them. Another important aspect of a building surveyor's role in Dankaur is to ensure that buildings meet the necessary legal requirements and standards. They are well versed in the local building codes, regulations, and guidelines that govern construction and renovation projects. The surveyor ensures that all aspects of the design and construction process comply with these regulations, including fire safety measures, access for people with disabilities, and energy efficiency standards. They also review building plans and specifications to identify any potential non-compliance issues before construction begins. In Dankaur, a building surveyor is essential to ensuring the security and legality of structures. They are in charge of conducting detailed evaluations and inspections of structures to find any potential problems or dangers using their experience and knowledge. To make sure that all construction and renovation projects in Dankaur follow to the relevant laws and standards, a building surveyor frequently collaborates closely with architects, engineers, and contractors. When it comes to the necessary fixes, upkeep, and renovations to preserve the building's longevity and functionality, they offer their clients insightful advice and recommendations. They thoroughly inspect the roofs, walls, foundations, and other structural components to see if they are sound and sturdy. The surveyor also assesses the construction materials quality and looks for any damage or deterioration that would endanger occupant safety. They are knowledgeable about the rules, ordinances, and building requirements that apply to construction and renovation projects in their area. Before construction starts, they examine the building designs and specifications to find any potential non-compliance issues. By doing this, individuals aid in constructing a community that is both safe and sustainable. Building surveyors in Dankaur